Alan, do you take Camille to be your wife? Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and to honor her all the days of your life?
I do.
Camille, do you take Alan to be your husband? Do you promise to be faithful to him, to love him and to honor him all the days of your life?
I do.
This life is better. Everything as it should be. When we're together, you and me will see it through.
Ilang araw kami nag-stay sa Tagaytay noon para magdasal. Then I prayed for someone na makakasama ko habang buhay at siya yung binigay ni Lord para sa akin.
Ready to go with all the lies before us. And all that we know will guide us through the night. A beautiful hope, a reason to believe is what you give to me. Oh, yeah. All I know when I'm with you, this life is better. Everything as it should be. When we're together, you and me will see it through.
Loves, maraming salamat sa lahat ng binigay mo sa akin, lahat ng pinakita mo sa akin, kabaitan, suporta, pangunawa, at higit sa lahat, pagmamahal. Because of that, because of you, I know that God is present in my life and God is really working, especially at this moment with us.
All I know when I'm with you, this life is better. Everything as it should be when we're together. All I know when I'm with you, this life is better. Everything as it should be when we're together. You and me will see it through. Oh, I know it's true. This life is better when I'm with you.
Una ko siyang nakilala sa AVR noong meron kaming recollection. Tinanong ko muna siya kung siya ba ay isang advisor ng grade 6 kasi that time na-assign ako sa grade 6. So, shinare niya yung kanyang experiences at doon na nagsimula ang lahat.
It's pulling at me, and I am unraveling.
Thank you, loves, and hello to my dearest loves. This watch symbolizes that I will spend the rest of my lifetime with you. No matter what, I know that we've been through so many challenges, but you stayed by my side. You have inspired me in so many ways. With God's grace, let's start a new beginning. I can't wait to walk down the aisle with you. I love you forever, my love. Love, Camille. Thank you.
Have mercy and let me.
Dear loves, this is the day we've been waiting for. Finally, magiging Mrs. Bachetes ka na. Thank you for all the good things you have done to me. You are a living witness that God is present in my life. Thank you for making me the best version of myself. As a sign of my love, please accept my gift, perfume to maintain your beauty and pleasant, admirable personality.
Wow!
I am so excited to unfold what life awaits us. I love you. See you later. Alan Machetes. Loves.
Feeling like a drum and jumping away. Hitting that boom, 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 bass. Like a super bass.
Camille, ang ganda-ganda mo. Kakasal ka na. Sana magmahalan kayo ni Alan. At lagi mo tatandaan. Nandito lang si Mama lagi para sa'yo. I love you.
Pinanghawakan ko lang is lagi mong sinasabi na kahit anong mangyari sa atin, kahit anong problema, malalampasan natin yan. At kaya naman, gagawin natin yung best natin para maging mabuting pamilya at ay pakita natin yung pagtitiwala at pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Mahal na mahal kita at hindi kita iniwan. At mamaya, kita tayo. See you later.
Alan, marami na tayong mga napagdaan ng pagsubok sa buhay. Pero tandaan mo lagi na nandito lang ako at lahat ilalaan natin kay God para mas lalong maging matatag ang ating relasyon. Huwag kang mag-alala, sisipot ako. See you later. I love you.
I'm coming apart of the seams. It's worse than I thought it would be, but I've never been happier.